In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 dash cams available right now. The best dash cams are the best way to keep yourself safe in the car. While a basic dashboard camera can do a fine job of recording the road ahead. Check the links description below. Okay, let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Rexing V1 Car Dash Cam. Roaring ahead in our race to uncover the best dash cam is the Rexing V1. This awesome 170-degree angle camera manages to capture as much of the road as possible in glorious 1080p HD footage. It's so clear that you'll be able to see each bead of sweat cascading down the faces of those who know they've messed up. That's not all, though. The built-in G sensor protects you further by detecting accidents and securing them, while the looping video activates without you having to lift a finger. Furthermore, the discreet design of this car gadget doesn't draw attention to it and allows it to perfectly blend into your car, and while not included, it can house up to 128 gigabytes of micro SD storage, giving you hours upon hours of recording capability without needing to clear the memory. It comes at a reasonable price, but after just one accident will pay for itself, meaning when it comes to functionality, design, and results, it's in its own lane altogether. At number 4 is the Garmin Dash Cam. You know you're so good that you don't need to try too hard against the competition, and that's why we've selected the Garmin Dash Cam as our premium choice. This top-rated dash cam provides 180 degrees of footage while also delivering clear 1080p video that is as clear in snowy winter roads as it is hurtling down the highway with a cloudless sky above. It's also incredibly small, so you can record in peace, while the travel lapse feature transforms dull journeys into something much more exciting. For extra safety, the voice control prevents you from fiddling with buttons when you should be focusing on the road. Overall, easy to install with excellent quality and a host of features that are not just useful but fun, too. Our handy guide to the best travel cameras features more great products like this. Top 3 at our list is the Anker Roav Dash Cam A1. This dash cam also comes highly recommended as it is equipped with more than its fair share of convenient and savvy tech. The Anker Roav Dash Cam A1 displays and records clear HD content even at night. With its crispy clear night vision capabilities, together with motion sensors that switch on when an emergency situation is detected, the camera will begin to record immediately. The brand's Roav is dedicated to optimizing your driving experience with its series of devices that keep you safe and on high alert on the road. Customers worldwide have enjoyed this product for its exceptional day and night quality. It is also well loved for its sturdy construction, compact size, and easy installation. This particular model houses a Class 10, 32GB micro SD card. However, this is not included in the package but is a requirement for the optimum functionality of the device. Moving up at number 2 is the Vantrue N2 ProUber Dual Dash Cam. The Vantrue N2 ProUber Dual Dash Cam is, as you might be able to tell, the best dual dash cam for Uber, Lyft, taxi, and novice drivers. By having 2 cameras, you can capture all the goings-on both in and outside the car, and be sure to have every base covered in the event of an incident. Capable of housing up to 256 gigabytes of memory, you can capture what'll feel like days of footage, which is essential when you're spending as much time in your car as ride-sharers do. It's also a night vision dash cam with an infrared recording that holds up solidly against other models, providing marvelously clear shots that make the night seem not as scary as some of you once thought. While it's slightly larger than other models, it's this size that makes it so effective. Without it, you'd be stuck with any old camera that is only half as effective. And at number 1 is the OldShark Dash Cam. If you live in a part of the country, or even the world, where you can fry an egg on your dashboard more frequently than you'd like, then the OldShark car camera is not the solution to the heat by any means, but it is designed to withstand this heat where other cameras might fail. This isn't all though, thankfully, and you'll also get a camera that's very useful, both night and day in sharp 1080p resolution. Developed with automatic on/off features, you can capture everything you need, even if you don't remember what you're doing, while the crash detection function ensures that any footage is automatically saved. This gadget is easy to use, easy to mount, and easy to view, with a clear LCD screen that's essential for viewing footage immediately. With this camera, you can keep cool in any situation. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.